I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming two prerequisites: a verified YouTube account and the Google login you'll use. Once done, pick a Tubebuddy plan. Free works for basics. Upgrade later if you need bulk tools. Now install the browser extension for Chrome/Edge/Firefox and click Sign in with Google. Allow permissions so Tubebuddy can read and manage your channel metadata. Make sure to accept required scopes. This links Tubebuddy to YouTube and unlocks the dashboard in your Creator Studio. Once the extension is active, open the Tubebuddy panel inside YouTube Studio and run the channel audit to surface quick wins. Next, create default templates for tags, descriptions, and thumbnail file name patterns so uploads are faster and consistent. Then configure Keyword Explorer preferences and set your target region and language. This improves suggested keywords. Finally, enable a /B thumbnail testing and publishing presets. That lets you test visuals and auto-apply metadata to future uploads for consistent optimization. Finish by applying advanced tools. Run bulk processing to update end screens, cards, and playlists across multiple videos to save hours. Make sure comment moderation is set with canned responses and filters, and enable channel health alerts so you get notified of issues. If something fails, reauthorize Tubebuddy from the extension settings, clear your browser cache, and verify Google permissions in your account. These steps resolve most connectivity problems. If it still fails, disable and re-enable the extension and try a different browser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.